Are electric vehicles really the future, or are hybrids the smarter choice right now? With all the hype around EVs, it's easy to overlook what hybrids offer, but is that a mistake? Let's break it down in simple terms. If you're thinking about switching from a gas car, you've probably been torn between going fully electric or choosing a hybrid. Today, we're comparing EVs and hybrids side by side, cost, range, charging, maintenance, and more, so you can decide what's actually better for you. First up, price. Electric cars are often more expensive up front, especially if you're buying new. Even with incentives, an EV can cost thousands more than a hybrid. Hybrids, on the other hand, are usually cheaper and you still save on fuel. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to go greener, hybrids win here. Range anxiety is real with EVs. Most EVs today offer 200 to 300 miles per charge, which sounds fine, until you take a road trip and struggle to find a charger. Hybrids use gas and electric, so they're great for long drives without worrying about where to stop. If you mostly drive in the city, an EV might still make sense. But for flexibility, hybrids take the lead. Charging an EV sounds simple, until you realize fast chargers aren't everywhere. Even at home, a full charge can take hours unless you install a level 2 charger, which adds to the cost. On the other hand, hybrids just fill up at any gas station and go. No extra setup needed. If you don't have reliable access to charging, hybrids are simply more practical. Here's where EVs shine. They have fewer moving parts, so maintenance is cheaper long-term. Hybrids still have a gas engine, so you'll still need regular servicing. But battery replacements? EVs and hybrids both have that cost down the road. It's not cheap. Yes, EVs produce zero emissions while driving, and that's a huge plus. But making EV batteries involves mining rare metals, and charging from a dirty power grid can cancel out some of the benefits. Hybrids still burn gas, but they use a lot less. So the better option really depends on where you live and how your electricity is made. So what's better, EV or hybrid? If you want long range, lower cost, and easy refueling, hybrids are hard to beat right now. But if you're ready for the future, have reliable charging access, and want fewer maintenance headaches, an EV could be worth it. At the end of the day, it's not about what's better overall, it's what fits your life best. Which one would you pick, EV or hybrid? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more simple, honest takes on car tech and clean energy.